2019 Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag on/off switch, passenger airbag, trip computer, bucket seats, MP3 player, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, power outlet, steel wheels, dual rear wheels. Come see the car for yourself.